এবারে ভিডিওটা অবশ্যই নর্থ ইস্ট নিয়ে, মানে রাজা রঘুবংশী আর সোনম। ইয়েস, ওদের কেসটা অনেকটা এগিয়ে গেছে। আর নর্থ ইস্টের পিপল, মানে মিনিস্টারও দেখলাম বলেছে দ্যাট সোনমস ফ্যামিলি অ্যান্ড অলসো রাজাস ফ্যামিলি টার্নিশ দ্য ইমেজ অফ মেঘালয়া অ্যান্ড লোকাল পিপল। অফকোর্স no one has given the right to tarnish anyone or malign any state or state people. Even Alexander Heck, the man who protest against the comments or statement of Sonam's brother and also Sonam's father, that they should apologize properly in the real manner in public place, because they publicly they harass the state, the community, the class, the clans and the local people. So publicly they should come out and they should say sorry to the Meghalaya people and also about the Meghalaya state, the statement which they have passed before. So now Meghalaya police are full in charge. Even they declared today, actually 90 days is given to any administrative officer to provide charge sheet to the court. But today that police superintendent said that no need of 90 days. Before that they can give and submit the charge sheet to the court before 90 days. তো তাহলে কি হলো, অবাক কাণ্ড। সোনম আর রাজা যে কাণ্ডটা দেখা গেল, সোনম আর রাজা এখন 5 জনকে ওরা নিয়ে গেছে ওইখানটাতে মেঘালয়, বিকজ দ্য সিন শুড বি রিক্রিয়েটেড, যেটা আমাদেরকে দেখানো হয়নি বা বলাও হবে না। তারপর যেটা প্রথম ধরা হয়েছিল সোনম ইজ মাস্টার মাইন্ড, but now it is Raj Kushwaha is the mastermind. Because it is they are planning for this murder in the month of February. At the first month of February, they thought that Sonam will jump to a river, and from there she fled away, and people will thought that she is drowned. Okay. Just one thing, it will make a big question for me. Why she's making so much plan? Both of them are matured. He is 21, she is 26. If they don't want to marry any other people, they can marry each other, they can run away from Indore, they can settle in any other state. Why they are planning for so many things? Even they thought to burn any lady, and then in front of that lady they should give some clues that it is dead body belongs to Sonam. Such kind of heinous crime, how a normal human being can plan only for getting married? They can marry to each other. They are enough adult. They can go to any state. There they can do work and they can lead their life. So what makes Sonam to compel this kind of planning and plotting? जे अगर वो जिंदा रहे, उसका फैमिली जान जाए तो उसका फैमिली उसको मार डालेगा। शायद इसी डर के लिए वो इतना सारा प्लान, पहले सोनम को अपने आप को मारने का, मतलब दिखावा, जहाँ किसी नदी में झाप देगा वहाँ पे फ्लड हो जाएगा, फिर रात जाकर उससे मिलेगा, एंड देन दे विल रन देयर ओन फैमिली। अगर इतना प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग नहीं करके वो दोनों आराम से घर से जा सकते थे, तब क्या सोनम ये सोचते थे अगर इस तरह से कुछ हादसा ना करके वो चले जाए, देन हर ब्रदर और फादर विल डू सम हार्म टू हर, maybe. Otherwise, an adult lady, adult boy can take decision of their own life, whom they will marry, whom they will carry out their own life. Why they think to take out the life of other people? তারপর কি হলো, সোনম গেল মেঘালয়, আর সেই মেঘালয় যাওয়ার পর দেখা গেল পুরো কাহিনী বার হয়ে আসলো। And that 3 fellows are really poor people, Bikash, Anand and Akash. They are not contract killer. Only because of friendship. Bikash was Raj's cousin also. And because of their friendship, Raj told about his love story. And he could not survive without Sonam. So just to help Raj, they killed 1 people. And moreover, the lifetime imprisonment now hanging on their head. এক 3টে ইয়াং ছেলে কতটা বোকা হলে পরে এই কাজগুলি করতে পারে। ওদের কোনো রকম প্রফেশনাল, জাস্ট রাজ গিভ দেম 50,000 rupees and on a phone, and first of all they plan to kill Raj nearby Kamakya temple. You all know it is in Nilachal Parbat. So after Kamakya, there are Bhubaneswari, there are Bagalamukhi, and it is quite stiff. Or iske niche Brahmaputra. So it is quite hilly area, and all the places are not so much clumsy. And there they plan to kill him. But there they cannot carry out the plan. So they thought they will come to Meghalaya. And from the 22nd also they tried to kill him, but they failed. Then in 23rd, they succeeded. শুধু তাই না, after this heinous crime, Sonam first came to Guwahati. From Guwahati, she took bus and came to Shiliguri. From Shiliguri, she came to Patna, Patna to Ara, Ara to Lucknow, and then Lucknow to Indore. And Raj sent one burqa. After this thing happened, Sonam wear a burqa, and by wearing burqa, she came from Shillong to Meghalaya to Indore. And coming in Indore, she was already rented a flat before leaving Indore, before going to Kamakya. And coming in Indore, she started to stay in that rented flat, and that flat was in Devdas Nagar or like that. I don't know how come the owner of that rent has not checked her Aadhaar card, even when the news come out, with her face, with her pics, everything. How could not he identify that this very woman is my renter only, my tenant only? After 28 till 2nd या 3rd तक सोनम उसी इंदौर में था, जब कि ना full UP police, Indore police and Meghalaya police is searching her, and people are praying, they are giving pujas, everything for her well-being, and she was very well staying in Indore. उसी रेंट फ्लैट में रहना, उसी फ्लैट में खाना, कहीं ना कहीं से तो खाना आ रहे थे. So no one can find her out. When in the 3rd, Meghalaya police in civil dress arrested Akash from UP. And that time, Raj became suspicious. Raj was not sure what happened. Whether police, whether there are any criminal who kidnapped Akash. Because police came in civil dress. Suddenly they came and then took away Akash. And that time Raj was a little bit nervous, and he could not carry out the plan, because their plan was to send this girl Sonam again to Shiliguri, and Shiliguri she will remain in totally drugged condition, and she will say that people came, robbed me and killed my husband and left me, abandoned me in Shiliguri. But that plan they could not carry it out, because already police trapped Akash and his 3 other 2 friends. So such thing, sitting in 2025, when India government give right that you can choose your own partner, why and what for to do this? To kill one people. তার থেকেও বড় কথা, যেটা আমার পার্সোনালি খারাপ লেগেছে, বিকজ maligning of state, maligning of Meghalaya people, just because of a single incident that बांग्लादेश में, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ऐसे होता ही है, बांग्लादेश में सेल कर देते हैं. अरे कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट का हर लेडीज बांग्लादेश का सेल होकर हम 2-3 महीनों पर रुक कर फिर चले आते हैं. इस तरह सा स्टेटमेंट, इनफैक्ट काफ़ी बड़ा बड़ा न्यूज़ मीडिया हैव गिवन दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टेटमेंट. नॉर्थ ईस्ट ऐसे होता ही रहता है, वो बांग्लादेश लेके चला जाता है, बांग्लादेश चले जाने के बाद फिर लौट करते हैं. एक कोई बात ठीक है. And see, even the press conference done by the police super is so humbly, so quietly. कोई शोर शराबा कहीं पे भी नहीं होता है. That is the culture of Meghalaya. People are very soft spoken, very humbly. And now it has come out, the whole mastermind of the whole thing is Raj, and Sonam is just his partner. Moreover, Sonam took that rented house in Indore before leaving Indore. That was even not known to Raj Kushwaha also. She hid this planning this plotting from Rajkushawa also. And Indore police and Indore people who are blaming Meghalaya people, Meghalaya police, they could not even track the girl who is staying just near to them. She is in Indore, but no one can find out in Indore. And they are searching her in Meghalaya and Assam. So ultimately, truth come out. और आज राज का फैमिली उसका पिंड दान करने के लिए उज्जैन गए. कितना लाचार एक माँ बाप. So before giving marriage to your own kids or brother or sister, think. খালি সোসাইটি, খালি ক্লাস, খালি কাস্ট. এখানে মূল প্রশ্নটা ছিল ওদের সমাজ. রঘুবংশীর কাস্টের মেয়ের বিয়ে রঘুবংশী জাতের সাথে হতে লাগবে. এটা একটা অনেক বড় ব্যাপার. আর সোনম চাইলেই ওকে নিয়ে অন্য কোনো সেটে চলে যেতে পারতো. যখন ও প্ল্যানই করেছিল যে পালিয়ে যাবে নদীতে একটা অ্যাক্টিং করে, ড্রোন অ্যাক্টিং করে, মানে আমি ডুবে গেছি, বা অন্য কোনো মেয়েকে এনে জ্বালিয়ে পুরে ভাব দেখাবে ও জলে পড়ে গেছে এবং ও রাজকিনে অন্য জায়গায় সংসার করবে. রাজকিনে সংসার তো এমনিতেই কাউকে না মেরে করতে পারতো. বিয়ের আগেই পালিয়ে যেত. পালিয়ে গেলে পর নিশ্চয়ই রাজকে আর বিয়ে করতো না, রাজ ওকে বিয়ে করতো না. তাহলে ও ভয় কাকে পাচ্ছিল? ওর বাবা ভাইকে? প্রশ্ন তো এখানেই. ওর বাবা ভাইকে ভয় পাচ্ছিল, তার জন্য ও এটা করলো. আর মাঝখান থেকে প্রাণ গেল একটা নিরীহ মায়ের ছেলে, একটা মায়ের কোখ খালি হয়ে গেল. আর বদনাম করে দেওয়া হলো মেঘালয় সিটি, শিলং সিটি, নট মেঘালয় সিটি, Meghalaya state, northeast Meghalaya and Shillong. So people who wants to travel India, who wants to visit the different place of India, go and visit Shillong, Meghalaya. It is very, very beautiful place. People there are humble, peace lover, and even the taxi driver will never hike their price. They no need to bargaining. They will take you the price which is already fixed there. Everywhere. Even the street vendors, even that people, they are all honest. Main things are that indigenous people are very honest. They are not polluted. Go and visit. Enjoy. The main timing for visit is Meghalaya, October to March. At that time you will not get so much rainfall. Yes, winter is there, but in winter you can find a sunny sunlight and you can enjoy. Put 2 or 3 sweater and enjoy the sunlight. Nice to visit. That time rain is not there. This from May, June, July, August you will find the rainfall. But after Diwali there's less amount of rainfall and you can enjoy. Even after Durga Puja you can also go and move there. So please visit Northeast, please visit Meghalaya, please visit Shillong. Bye.